It's a cold one out there today, Toronto. Today, we're talking about the sales to new listings ratio. What is that, why it matters to you, and what you can do as a Toronto home buyer and seller to prepare in Q1 of 2025. The SNLR, or sales to new listings ratio, measures the number of new listings that sell in a given time period. So what is that exactly? Well, every month we have new listings, and every month there are sales. Tracking this trend allows you to gauge what's happening in the market, the rate at which things are absorbing. And so what we've seen since September is that the trend has gone up quite a bit. In September, it was about 26% of new listings sold. As of December, 66%. It's too early to say what January looks like, but the point is that we've headed into Q1 of 2025 with tighter market conditions. Lower inventory levels compared to what was going on in the fall. With that said, though, inventory levels are still about 40% higher than they were this time last year. So why does that matter to you? Well, look, if you're a seller, you need to know what kind of market you're selling in. And as the market continues to tighten, it means that there might be more competition on your property. Ensuring that you come up with a proper plan, a proper pricing strategy with your agent is super important in any market, but especially in one like this. And as a buyer, well, inventory levels are still relatively higher than they were a year ago. And so that does still give you some opportunities to leverage a good price and favorable terms, but things might get a little more competitive for you. What can you do? First and foremost, as a buyer, work with your mortgage agent or your bank, get pre-approved. It's super important the money's there before you even start looking at homes. As a seller, make sure your home stands out from the competition. Property prep, decluttering, staging, and great marketing, fantastic photos is what helps get more feet in the door.